As homeowners in West Valley City continue to focus on improving their homes, professional door installation has become a top priority in 2025. Whether upgrading for security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, or smart home integration, more residents are recognizing the value of expert door installation. Here's why so many West Valley City homeowners are choosing professional door installation this year. Enhanced security for peace of mind. Home security remains a major concern for homeowners, and entry doors play a crucial role in protecting families and belongings. Many older doors have weak locks, outdated materials, or poor installation, making them vulnerable to break-ins. Professional door installation ensures heavy-duty materials like steel or reinforced fiberglass to withstand forced entry. Multi-point locking systems for maximum security. Reinforced door frames to prevent break-ins. Smart locks and keyless entry systems for added convenience and control. By investing in a professionally installed door, homeowners enjoy peace of mind knowing their home is well secured against potential threats. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. West Valley City experiences cold winters and hot summers, making energy-efficient doors essential. Professionally installed doors offer better insulation to reduce heat loss in winter and keep cool air inside during summer. Sealed edges and weather stripping to prevent drafts. Energy Star certified materials that help lower heating and cooling costs. By choosing energy-efficient doors, homeowners can reduce their monthly utility bills while improving indoor comfort. Increased home value and curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated or damaged door can make a home look neglected. Professional door installation can enhance curb appeal with stylish and modern designs. Increase property value, making the home more attractive to buyers. Provide customizable options, including colors, glass panels, and decorative finishes. With a beautifully designed and well-installed door, homeowners can make a lasting impression and increase their home's resale value. Smart technology integration. The rise of smart home technology has made modern door installations more advanced than ever. Homeowners in 2025 are opting for doors with built-in smart features, including keyless entry systems for added security and convenience, smart locks that connect to home automation systems, video doorbells for remote monitoring and visitor detection. These features not only increase security but also provide easy access control, making everyday life more convenient. Protection against harsh weather conditions. West Valley City homeowners are no strangers to extreme weather conditions, from heavy snowfall to strong winds and rain. Professionally installed weather-resistant doors help protect homes by preventing moisture damage that can cause warping or rot, sealing out drafts and wind infiltration, providing impact-resistant materials that withstand storms and debris. Investing in a durable, weatherproof door ensures long-term performance and protection. Avoiding costly mistakes with professional installation. Many homeowners consider DIY door installation to save money, but improper installation can lead to air leaks, security risks, and costly repairs. Professional installers ensure correct measurements for a perfect fit. Secure framing and alignment to prevent sagging or sticking. Proper sealing and insulation to maximize energy efficiency. Warranty protection, giving homeowners peace of mind. By hiring experts, homeowners save time, avoid frustration, and ensure long-lasting results. Convenience and hassle-free experience. Replacing a door may seem simple, but it requires technical expertise, precision, and specialized tools. With professional installation, homeowners can avoid the stress of handling heavy doors and complex hardware. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. Ensure compliance with local building codes. A professional team handles everything from removal to installation, providing a seamless, worry-free experience. Final thoughts. Why West Valley City homeowners are making the upgrade in 2025. With home security, energy efficiency, and smart technology at the forefront of homeowners' minds, professional door installation is a worthwhile investment in 2025. Whether upgrading for safety, aesthetics, or convenience, the benefits of expert door installation far outweigh the costs. If you're considering a door replacement in West Valley City, now is the perfect time to invest in a high-quality, professionally installed door. Contact a trusted local installer today and take the first step toward a more secure, stylish, and energy-efficient home.